Please guys, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you. Nanotech. Today I will show you how to remove the broken cable AUX. Inside this you can see the plastic broken inside that AV cable. So how can you remove it? You need a safety pin and you need a lighter. First you have to hit safety pin. When you can see the safety pin is become red color, then you put inside this broken cable. It's like this, and keep it 10 seconds. After 10 seconds you have to press it out. Come out, you can see. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.